Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with another 2 trades. I usually like to do 2 trades at a time just in case one of them doesn't give very many pips, as what happened with the Euro Yen today. And the second one gave me more pips, so today turned out to a pretty good day. And today's date is April the 7th. Hope everyone is safe at home while we're in the midst of this virus. So make sure you keep safe. So let's take a look at the pair that did not move. I got the timing a little bit off. I should have waited for a bigger pullback. But on the Euro Yen here, approximately a few minutes after 7 on both trades, I took both trades. Got in here. Now it did go against me around 23 pips, which is within reason. As soon as I noticed it bouncing off this support, I knew that it was going to come back up and give me a chance to close with a profit, at which point I ended up with 6 pips. Now, as long as you know that you can get out of the trade, even if it's only a few pips, then that is good enough for me. Now, I knew once it got up around the top here that I definitely wanted to get out, and I didn't want to take a chance on it doing a complete turnaround and come all the way back down again. So, and remember, anything between say 2 or 3 to 10 pips, that is scalping, which I am happy with. And of course, everything above 10 pips, I call that a bonus. So, and today was not really a strong day one way or the other. The US dollar is less than 20%, but I decided to go with these 2 pairs. And that's actually, the euro was a little bit higher, but it wasn't super strong. And so let's take a look at this. Oh, by the way, this Euro Yen, those 6 pips paid $560. Next pair was the Pound Yen here. Same time, I took the trade here. Went like 1 pip against me. This is much more the way I prefer. And when it hit this this top right here and the ADR, this line, I decided to close out the trade with about, let's see what we got here, around 38 pips, something like that. So 38 pips, I was happy with that, even though it continued to go up. But those 38 pips on the Pound Yen paid $35.35. And of course, I don't know if I'm trading anymore. Maybe I might, or today might be just finished. Just depends on what I feel like doing. The pip total was 44 pips, and that paid $4,095. And I am happy with that, to be honest with you. But I love trading so much, and it's so easy to pick trades using my magic trigger. Remember, my magic trigger is my most favorite one out of all 26 of them. And then, of course, it's a combination of the pip trigger and the golden trigger merged together. And if you want to know what my ongoing special is, you'll have to get in contact with me. And I'll show you my contact information in a bit. The reason why I'm giving a special is because a lot of people are at home and they're not working, not making money, and this could last for at least 6 months. And if you can pick up trading, learn how to trade, which is doable, it is possible, you can make money like I do from home. And you don't have to worry about being laid off or financial situation. So let's see where we're at now. If your system is not producing, like my magic trigger or any of my trigger systems. They all work pretty good, but I really like my magic trigger the most. Look at this, it's keep going. And the euro is not even, let's see, pound is not even at 80%. So you just never know. Sometimes it's not registering strong, but it just keeps going. Let's see how many more pips it went. It's already up another 26 pips. But as I said, I was happy with the 38. So if your system is not producing, I suggest you get your hands on the magic trigger, and to do so, all you got to do is look right below this video. And you'll see this write-up. It's the magic trigger system. I do charge $250 for. And of course, if you've bought any trigger system off me, I would only charge $100 for this one. So for 100 hours of work, and it does take me 100 hours to put each and every one of these trigger systems together, and since I'm only charging $100, that is only $1 an hour. So I don't know how many people would work for $1 an hour. So this magic trigger is the best of the golden trigger and the pip trigger merged together. It has approximately 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your platform. It'll look exactly like this. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter, this one right here. I would not trade without it. At least it points me which pairs I should be looking at. Doesn't mean I'm going to trade it, but it points me in the right direction. Now it comes with a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents, which will help your trading, as this is what you need to be successful. You need a lot of education. Now, since there's a lot of ways to trade, I have a lot of training videos. There's 36 training videos for my system, along with the 9 bonus videos. Now, the way I like to trade the most is a great way to trade, and that's using the goal line here, moving average, along with the awesome oscillator here. I teach exactly what you're supposed to be looking for and how to trade it, and to get in where the pullbacks generally are not huge. I don't mind 20 pips, and in these times it could be 25 or 30. So that doesn't bother me, but as long as I know that it's going to hook around and give me a chance to get out of the trade, as what happened with the euro yen. And I do give a lot of trading tips, best and advanced trading tips. I teach how to backtest the magic trigger, how to scalp the market, how to scan the market. And I do teach how to trade all 3 sessions along with this London close. And I also teach how to trade pullbacks and reversals. Remember, a pullback is when it comes back around the goal line here, hooks around and keeps going up. Now if it broke through the goal line and kept dropping, I call that a reversal. I teach exactly what you should be looking for in this general area, because you got to make a decision. It's either going to go up or down. And of course, seeing candlestick patterns like this, it tells me right away it's going to go up. And by the way, within the PDF books, there's a lot of education on how to trade candlestick patterns. It will help your trading and to make decisions whether you want to be buying or selling. Now I do teach how to trade the channel, in other words, buy low and sell high, but only when the indicators down at the bottom are given clear signals. And I also teach how to trade the news. I recommend not trading the news or the London session or this trading with a day job. The very first thing that you have to learn, and the fastest thing and the easiest, is a great way to trade. You can learn that after a few days, and then of course, if you really want to, you can try to pick up on how to trade the news and how to trade with a day job. They're all linked together because the rules do not change. They always remain the same. And as I watch this trade over here keep going up, and it is not the pound, even though it's near the top, it's the yen. Anytime you can get around 10% or less, and this will drop right down to 0, and it'll just keep going. I could have stayed in the trade, but anytime I can get 40 or more pips, I'm basically happy with that. So let's see now. If you have any questions at all about my trigger system, even this $1 million trade plan, or any questions in general about trading, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, just send me an email. Make sure you put in the underscore here. Skype ID is Forex_Nelson. I made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link right here. So, and of course, through Skype screen sharing, I will give you a free session. May last about 45 minutes, but that depends on how many questions you have for me. So over the past year, I built 14 systems, and prior to that, over the past 12 years, or thereabouts, I kept working on my PIP trigger, and then of course, I continued to build more systems, so I have a grand total of 26 systems, and if you want to see them, just click on this link and you'll get some screenshots. Now I did some reviews of my top 2 at the time. That's the golden trigger and the PIP trigger, and when I merged them together, I did a review of the magic triggers. So there's 2 videos here, very simple. Just click on the link and you can check it out. So now that just about wraps up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, happy trading and keep yourself safe. Bye for now.